Hi, this is Crazy Dude Paul here, coming to you with another product video review for another Telesin product. Telesin kindly send me products on a regular basis to review. They don't pay me. I just give you my honest opinion about the product, whether I think it's any good or not. Yeah, sorry about the sunlight coming in today. All of a sudden it's got nice and sunny, and obviously it's causing a bit of a hassle on the video, but there we go, never mind. So what have they sent me today? Well, they sent me a nice little packed gizmo, which actually looks quite cool. Okay, let's get that out of here. So what have we got? Okay, well, we've got a chest mount for a GoPro or an Insta360 camera. Comes with a screw thread for your camera, and it's magnetic, so that clips onto there quite nicely. So let's try it out. So let's just put the camera on there. Okay, so it's not really any good for 360, but it's okay for single stuff. So I can turn that camera around like that. I can turn it at an angle if I want to, or I can keep it nice and straight. Okay, let me just tighten that up a little bit. Okay, so you've got pull strings on these. I've got a jumper on today, so it's probably not as good as it will be if I was wearing a tighter top or t-shirt. Drop that under there, just pull that through there, and then put that on there. Okay, so we've now got our camera. Okay, I'll do that. Let's hold that tight. It takes a bit of pulling off. It will come off, obviously, because I need to get it off. You can't walk around it forever, can you? But yeah, it's quite sturdy, and will allow me to do things hands-free if I'm sort of walking around. Probably wouldn't use it for something too adventurous, because if you did bash it, you could knock it off. But it does take a bit of pulling to come off of there. I will say, let's try it with the t-shirt underneath here. See how much, sorry, you're not going to see that, but yeah, actually. The jumper actually is quite thick, so the hold on that is not as good as it would be with the t-shirt. On a t-shirt, literally that's taking me a real pull, and it's the same with the t-shirt to actually pull it off. But on my jumper, or if I was wearing a hoodie, heavier, thicker material, then it might, well, not fall off, you could knock it off. But that's pretty solid. Do you know, I really like this. It's a really nice little piece of kit. It's very small, very easy to put in your bag and carry it around for that, just that one-off time when you might actually feel that it's a good idea to use something like this. So if you're, you know, just doing a bit of vlogging and you're filming, not yourself, you're filming everything else, then again it's perfect, hands-free. You're videoing somebody, you can interview people, not have to worry about a tripod or something else, or another person. Yeah, it's really good, really good. I really like that. Always well made Telesin products. So yeah, I recommend that. I haven't used it in an adventurous situation, so you know, it's something that's completely down to your discretion, and you know, if you have a mishap, then sadly that's down to you, not for me. But yeah, good little product. So that is doesn't have a name. Does it have a name? No, it doesn't have a name, so I'd say it's a magnetic chest mount. Hope you like the review. Thanks again for watching. Please follow me if you like my reviews on YouTube, and also check me out on TikTok for my crazy dude Paul nose mode antics. Thanks again for watching. See you later.